Friends, warm welcome to our YouTube channel Express Naukri. Exciting career opportunity at Timken India Limited, Jamshedpur plant. Are you ready to take your career to the next level in manufacturing, quality, lean and training, or maintenance? Timken India Limited, a renowned name in the industry, is seeking talented professionals like you to join their dynamic team at their Jamshedpur plant. Huge job openings are like senior analyst and team leader and assistant manager and group leader. Friends, request you to subscribe the channel Express Naukri and hit the bell icon for latest job updates. Job area will be manufacturing, quality, lean and training, maintenance, electrical maintenance, electronic maintenance and mechanical maintenance. Experience required, 6 to 10 years. So if you have a passion for excellence and a proven track record in any of these areas, they want to hear from you. Timken offers a collaborative work environment, ample opportunities for professional growth, and a chance to make a meaningful impact in the industry. Experienced candidate from bearing industries or automobile or auto ancillaries will be given preference. To apply, visit Timken official careers page, careers.timken.com, and select your relevant job post and apply accordingly. Thank you and all the best from Team Express Naukri.